In front of me is Redmi 17 and today I would like to show you how you can find all typing options. First of all, go into settings and scroll all the way down to tap on additional settings. Then select languages and input, manage keywords and Givert. Lastly, select this section called corrections and suggestions and manage all of those options however you want to by clicking on the switches next to the chosen features. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!